I have to excuse myself for the poor quality of the audio, but I'm using the microphone of my laptop. So let's start with a normal PDF. On the left we have all the objects contained in this PDF. If you click on the root, then you have the hex view of the whole file. If you click on the entry of an object, you have the content of the whole object. An object follows this syntax. Basically it starts with the ID, followed by the generation number, and then the keyword object. What follows is a dictionary which may or not may be present, and then a stream which is also optional. Let's take an object with a stream. In this case there is a stream because, as you can see from the dictionary, it specifies a filter and a length. The filter threads that the object has to be unencoded with the flake decode method. If you click on content on the hex, the first entry, let's say, you have the hex view of the unencoded stream of the object. If it's a text entry, not a text entry but a text content, you can click on text view. In this case you can see the unencoded content of the object. Okay, let's take a malformed PDF, which is very common in case of infected PDFs. As you can see, we have no objects in the list. There are two ways basically to force the applications to still read all the objects. We can, for instance, specify objects ourselves. For instance, here we have an object, so we can click here and tell we have an object at offset 16, and we have, of course, we can access this object now, but this is, of course, it's an empty object, it has no string. Okay, this is of course very inefficient. There is another way, much faster. If you click on the magic stick, it tries to detect automatically all the objects in the PDF, and as you can see, it has a whole list. You just have to accept the result, and you have the full list of objects. I tested it with many infected PDFs, and the result was always optimal, so it works pretty well. And again, the emphasis of this application is to work in all cases. And first it tries to read the PDF in the most correct way, but if it cannot, you can still access the object inside with other methods.